Then wait. I saw no really put me the Jagged name, the artist name. What for? Are they in dead? One of the things that prison will make for dog. I saw the song put me there wait for the man don't fall. Me can't know enough on the bad mind the artist. You miss a batty mouth boy, nasty mouth boy. You want foreign? You could have preached this, you could have preached that. You're glad you didn't get locked up. You're afraid. What are you afraid for?
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video we have Shelly, Squash's mother, reacting to Blamdem's response yesterday when the news broke that Blamdem was mocking Squash, and I say England and get locked up and he hope they get deported. So she clapped back at him. But before we get into the clip, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment. Check this out.
This is on the media, they lose it, you know. Then wait. I saw no really put me the Jagged name, the artist name. What for? Are they in dead? One of the things that prison will make for dog, or jail will make for dog. One or two blood clot mix up enough. I saw the song put me there wait for the man don't fall. Me can't know enough on the bad mind the artist. Those bad mind. But let me tell you something. One could have drag your name up, don't run about in Mexico to blood. So I guess who not care. Shelly, I guess so. I'm not dead in dead. Are they in dead? I kill somebody. I'm telling you this now. God not following for one man all stop. You hear all of no day is coming. You not kill nobody. I topic pan TikTok Squash. I'm gonna look at cock suck. Some money girl, man, batty man, the rev out on the batty wall. I'm gonna find something constructive do. Squash alright when they don't think of D-E-A-D in dead, in not dead. That means if I dead, the man dead. I say, well, I'm not saying I wish the man don't fall. Fuck the world, fuck no. Now here, and who God bless no man curse, suck no mother.
After news broke yesterday about the police unaliving Slickianna's killer, his father is now having an outrage saying that the police murdered him. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check this out.
So guys, apparently, Rashawn Patterson, the guy who allegedly took Slickianna's life, the dad is not really happy about what took place. The dad, who refused to show his face on television, right? He said that the police them kill the son in his sleep. So sir, if your son did kill the people in Pitney, which other way expect him to go to meet him maker? Oh, else did he expect him to go out? You think I'm not going to prison and them taxpayer money? Come here, sir, make me reason with you why I don't want to show your face on TV. Me I show my face on TikTok. Which other way you expect him did to go out? Come and make it make sense for me, please, sir. As time to go meet him maker if he kill a woman? Or you expect the family feel when them know say no Slickianna family don't get no justice. When him they walk about a drive up and down like him give the all about the place and kill the people in Pitney. Sir, if him kill the woman, him not supposed to go out no other way but so. See like how the police then come shoot him, kill him in his sleep. Same way so. I'm not feeling no way I said this. In kill a woman, justice has been served. Okay? Have a lovely morning.
Right, whether a murder or not, you took somebody's life, and that's how life goes. Life is a circle. So whatever goes around comes back around. R.I.P. to Slickianna. Good riddance to Rashawn. Moncherie, one of Vybz Kartel's previous artists, is upset with them, or she never seemed to like seeing both of them together, and she was bickering about it online again. Check this out.
For those of you who are like, oh, leave Saddam alone, Saddam no Cartel has the hots for me, first of all. Second of all, we stopped talking because I cursed him out when I figured out that he was trying to talk to me and Saddam at the first time. Like, you and me asking me for naked videos, sex videos while you're in prison, the next day putting Saddam as your WhatsApp picture, and then showing me the next day that I'm on your display on your phone. Like, what the heck? Like, I'm not stupid, and I don't want to share no dick with Saddam out of all people. Excuse me. I don't even go that way. I'm strictly dickly. First of all, second of all, third of all. I'm just saying, I didn't know Saddam had an army. One Saddam, millions of Saddams. Okay? I'm a sexy ass bitch, nigga. Get your shit straight. Thank you.
What Kartel say, I gotta run after the Gaza youth. What you expect him to do? I don't know for the argument cause I don't know for she, the girl yeah, cause the argument, but one brother saying the day in England and I try get one picture with Kartel and the security them and tell him no. Because when in people over in a car see them have our finger in a Vybz Kartel face and them a cuss. So I don't know if after the video here, after man to reach up a video, but this is what the guy had to say. Check this out.
Anyways, me and my girlfriend went down there, and at first, before we left the yard, I was like, we're not gonna see Kartel. There's no way. I'm walking. I come across the hotel now, and I see 2 security guards outside the hotel. And then behind them, I can see Vybz Kartel's son sitting down by himself. So I thought, right, that's little Vybz over there. I've gone up to the security guards, and I'm like, yo, what going on? Like, you's up with Kartel? They're obviously saying, yeah. I look right, and I see Sidem and Kartel parked up right next to me. So straight away, I say, yo, Kartel. Give him one salute. He puts his thumb up to me. These time, them two are talking in the car. I said to the security guards, like, what? Can I take pictures? Can I, like, link him and chat to him? They're saying, nah, man, you can't. Right now, they're going through something. You can't really link the boss right now. So literally, I can see Vybz Kartel and Sidem having an argument in the car, and his son, little Vybz, sitting by himself over there just drinking, right? So I said to the security guard, let me just chat to the son then. Let me get a picture of the son if Kartel's busy. The security guard's pretty much saying, I don't work for the son, I work for Vybz Kartel, and the son's been in a mood from morning. That's what the security guard's telling me, right? So these time I literally pull out my phone and I'm about to take a video of Vybz Kartel because he's literally in the car right next to me. The security guard's like, no pictures. You can see them arguing. Don't do that, man, don't do that. So obviously I thought, you know what? Kartel's there having an argument. I'm not really going to come up to the car and film him while they're literally just sitting there arguing, right? It's not really the best look, right? And the security guards bigged them up because they was actually very, very nice to me. I can't lie. They were telling me exactly what's going on. They were literally straightforward with me and I respect them. Okay, so I'm chilling there now and I'm smoking a cigarette thinking, raw, like Kartel is literally sitting right there in the car. And I'm talking to my girlfriend. I'm saying to her, like, this is definitely not the best time though, because you can literally see in the car that Sidem's like this, like arguing with him. Kartel's just sitting there drinking. But she's clearly shouting at him and getting onto him. I don't know why, but they're clearly arguing. Anyways, we chill there, and the security guard says, yo, let me chat to you a sec. He pulls me to one side, and he's like, yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't wanna tell you to wait here, because right now, I don't think he's gonna be getting out of the car taking pictures. He literally left the hotel to argue with Sidem. Like, that's literally what the security guard said to me. They've been arguing, they've literally came out of the hotel to sit in the car to argue. So this is not the best time, bro. That's what the security guard's telling me, yeah? And I'm thinking, rah, I'm never gonna get this opportunity again still. Kartel is sitting right there. He's looking at me, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking at him, he's looking at me. There's no way in hell I'm gonna get this opportunity again. If I go to Kartel's show, there's no way I'm gonna come up to him and spud him at the show. So I'm thinking, all right, cool, bro. So yeah, I wait like another 5 minutes. Next thing you know, another girl pulls up, like, yo, Sidem, Vybz Kartel. Yo, saying bare things, innit? Some other guy pulls up as well, like, yo, Kartel. They're getting onto the security guards, like, what do you mean I can't take a picture, etc. So also, guys, you have to remember, the only 2 people in the car is Sidem and Vybz Kartel. Little Vybz is sitting by himself, drinking. Literally just sitting on the chair outside the car by himself, by like a little table bit where the hotel is, yeah? So he's not in the car listening to his dad arguing, obviously. Anyways, he goes into the car, little Vybz goes into the car, and he comes out the car and says to the security guards, we're about to come. So he gets back in the car now, and you can see Sidem driving the car, obviously driving off, right? So we're there filming now, we're filming the car, etc.
One Kartel.
Security guards are like, yo, bro, come on, man, I did tell you, don't film. The guy was so respectful to me, I thought, you know, I don't want to violate him. I don't want to violate him and start filming Kartel when the security guard was bare nice to me. Do you know what I'm saying? So they drive off now, they stop at a red light. The security guards are no longer there. Now the only people in the car is Vybz Kartel, Sidem, and little Vybz. No security around. I see them stop at a red light. I thought, you know what, it's now or never. So boom, they've drived off, stopped at a red light, and I've jogged over to the car and I'm like, yo, Kartel. I said something like, yo, how far we are traveling, a dog? Pretty much saying we've traveled a long way to come see you. Obviously we haven't. We literally took 2 stops on the train, 10 minutes away type shit, innit? But he doesn't know that. So I'm saying to him like, yo, far we are traveling, a dog. to even try get a spud or something, a picture, anything, yeah? He eventually winds down the window and he's like, well, go on, madded. And I said, well, go on, bro. I spudded him. And I was like, one Gaza, big up yourself every time. He's like, yeah, man, bless up, man, bless up. And that was literally the only thing he said to me. After that, he winded up the window. I walked off and left him. Obviously, he was in the middle of the road, as you saw in the video.
Yeah, man, so that's a go on over London. But, I mean, whatever it is, I'm sure they'll figure it out. Hope I know no woman make see them a cuss. So what Kartel do make see them a point finger in her face? Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.